Good morning. Good morning, Mandela. Welcome to the show. So, what a start for today. So, yeah, I've taken my trade. I'm in and out already. So, yeah, we jumped in around 6:15. You can see here we took a sell and we hit our take profit just within about 10 minutes. That's fantastic. So, as always on gold, I'm looking to trade 30 tick profit, 30 tick stop. And we traded it one contract or 10 micros for $300. So with the Apex account, we're up to 5.5. So we're just $500 short of passing this challenge. So yeah, we're very close to getting funded. So yeah,
amazing,
really happy.
Amazing, great trading, yeah. Great trading.
2 trades away, right? So this could be done and dusted by the weekend if I just keep it all together. So yeah, really happy with that. And I've been looking at a company called Tradeify. So I know some of the more experienced and seasoned futures traders are actually using them. So we're probably going to start with them end of next week. But yeah, it's been a great week. 3 trades, 3 winners. And I'm feeling good. It's a Wednesday.
Yeah, well done. Well done, Andrew.
Yeah, hump day and off we go. So yeah, happy with that. And just to give some rationale on the trade. So we've got a trend line here, which we broke. We were sitting at a support level of 2766.7 and actually put a sell stop just below that support area. Once we took that support out, we had a nice push down into our take profit. So happy days. Now I am happy. It's been a really good week. And yeah, we've caught gold quite nicely. Just want to quickly show you on copper, something I've been tracking. And if we go into yesterday afternoon, so yeah, here we see the high and the low of the US Open. We actually broke through that, pulled back, but once we got that breakout, yeah, we had a pullback and we pulled back quite nicely to the upside. So I'm still mindful of copper trading that on the US Open, and we're looking at a 20 pip stop and take profit. So if we had taken that yesterday, our first trade would have gone straight into a take profit. We broke through the US high again and again straight into take profit. So I'm quite interested in copper on the US Open. So that's my trade in a nutshell in 3 minutes. So yeah,
that's quite a lot to cover. I mean, geez, great work on the actual trading. Looks like finish lines in view, and just keep going. Just keep going.
Yeah, definitely.
You know what you're doing.
I'm hoping, tomorrow afternoon and Friday, maybe we can just trade copper on the breakout, if I don't see an opportunity on gold. So, yeah, quite happy at the moment, and I'm only $500 away. Come on.
So that's awfully close. Yeah.
But, I'm just gonna need some coaching from you. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So.
That's it. You don't need to hit it in one trade. I'll keep reminding you.
Yeah, please do. So let's have a look at today's news, and then we'll jump into the charts.
Yeah, that sounds good. All right. This news is brought to you by Signature FX. Signature FX, your favorite YouTube channel that you look forward to each and every day. Yesterday we had the first official trading day after the US President Trump's inauguration, and not a whole lot on the news front, but we did fail to mention that there is the World Economic Forum taking place in Davos, Switzerland. So that was a big one. And it doesn't usually move markets. It's just, it's like one of those economic forums where you get people from all over the world to attend. So just something to be, I guess, conscious of as we, look at news providers like Bloomberg, CNBC. They'll be talking a lot about the World Economic Forum for the rest of this week. We've also got a few other things here going on today. I think the biggest ticket item looks like US leading index month over month. And then we have the ECB President Lagarde speaking also around the same time this afternoon. And then wrapping up with the 20-year bond auction. Don't think these are going to really impact the market too much, but it is good to be aware of these sort of items, as you know, Andrew.
Yeah, so pretty glad I'm in and out for today. And yeah, I was watching the fallout from the WEF yesterday, so yeah, it was quite interesting watch. So yeah, that was good, and it's going to be an interesting week, right? I think there's going to be a few more fireworks to come out from the US, and interesting time to be a trader and interested in politics. So yes, good times.
It is a good time. We did touch yesterday briefly on Netflix, so I did want to kind of follow up with what we had talked about yesterday. And Netflix announced earnings last night. So this is kind of like a cheat sheet here. It beat on revenue by 1.5%. And it beat on what was the guidance by 1.2%. Basically, it was fairly robust earnings announcement from Netflix last night. Also got the most subscribers, paid subscribers in a quarter, so 19 million new subscribers for the previous quarter. And I guess you could probably guess what happened to the stock price. So what happens usually is the announcement comes out just after the market closes. We got this nice move in Netflix overnight, so closed at 869, and then by the time markets wrapped up in the after hours, after their earnings call and their financials were reported, it was close to $1,000. So that's a very nice move overnight. So we were talking about getting into more earnings plays this year, and this is a great example. They don't always look like this, as you can imagine, but this is a great one to start off with. I did buy one, so I bought this here. So this would have been yesterday. Let's see if you can see the top. Zoom out a bit. Yeah. So this was Netflix. This one expires on Friday, and I bought it yesterday at around 5:24 p.m. yesterday. I paid $500 for it, $540 for it, or $5.40 for one, and I got 100 of them. And this is probably going to be worth close to $5,000 this morning, Andrew.
Nice.
This is how it works. Thank you very much. So I bought it for $5. That was $5.40, and then it's probably going to be somewhere around $50 at the open. So that gives us just over $4,000. This is what we call making money in your sleep.
Nicely done.
Yeah. Thank you. So anybody else who's interested in earnings, I'm happy to share these. I know some shows we may not have enough time to go through all of them, but especially the big names, they do tend to move. And also today, it could continue moving higher. I think $1,000 is not far off when markets do open. So it'll be interesting to see what happens today. It could continue to run.
Yeah, and I think Netflix just got the streaming model right. I know a lot of people are trying to copy, but yeah, with Netflix, it's just the model of where you can watch the shows. The way they release, multiple episodes in a season, and I just think they are the number one streaming service. They have the formula. They definitely do have the formula down right. Yeah, for sure, and. That's a really good move. So congratulations, excellent.
Oh, thank you, Andrew. I mean, it's something I've always kind of shied away from it, the earnings plays, because I didn't really have the confidence and the back testing to kind of see it through. I do want to say special thank you to Jerry Soltis. He's the one that kind of flagged Netflix as a possibility. He mentioned Squid Games. He mentioned new episodes. So thanks, Jerry, for flagging that. And something that I'd like to continue doing more of, and I'm happy to share it with yourself and the community.
yeah, definitely something I'd like to look at towards the latter part of the year. I've got enough on my plate at the moment with the futures, but once we get that established, yeah, I'll get myself over to the earnings. Let's have a look at some of the charts. So Bitcoin was interesting yesterday.
Yes, it was. I just had someone enter the living room asking for the iPad. There we go. Okay. That's the joy of being live. It's a beautiful thing. So Bitcoin, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin here. Which one? There we go. So yeah, Bitcoin's looking like it's cooling slowly is kind of what I would say. It's not really got that robust up move. This would have been the peak before inauguration. What are you thinking here, Andrew?
Yeah, I'll stick to what I've been saying for the last couple of weeks. I think anything above 100k is good. We could see 100k, be kicking in as a really strong support level. And yeah, I'd definitely be bullish on Bitcoin, especially with everything that's going on. There's some uncertainty at the moment. I'm expecting a strong dollar over the next couple of months. There's been a freeze on all spending in the US at the moment, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see a shift for some money back into Bitcoin. But I do expect the dollar to get stronger, so maybe some of the other commodities, like pound, gold, etc., could be dropping down. But Bitcoin's on a run. There's definitely confidence in the market, and yeah, anything above 100k, I think is doing fantastic. I know a lot of people got in around 34, even some people got in around 72. So yeah, it's looking really good for them. And I can see your previous all-time high from the 22nd of November, and I think that's a really good support level there. So yeah, if I was holding or trading Bitcoin, I'd be relatively happy, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, it has done very, very well. I think there's a lot of numbers being thrown around, which kind of it takes things out of perspective. I think people talking about 150k next or 200k next, and you have to kind of realize how far it's come. It's definitely, like you said, it's 100k is huge.
Yeah, and I can see us taking out that all-time high from the 20th of Jan. I can see that. Yeah, I can see that being tested and taken out for sure.
Yeah.
So Bitcoin's looking good, and just congratulations to everyone. I know people have been really patient with it, and yeah, just looking at the chart there. I'd say we're performing lower highs. And and so for me, I'd say I'd still be bullish on Bitcoin.
Yeah, good. Let's have a look at maybe have a look at XRP here.
My favorite.
This is partially your pension. Your pension plan.
So yes, like I say, every dollar it goes is a year off retirement, and I'm still bullish on XRP. I just think it's got a lot of use, and I know the guy who got appointed yesterday is actually quite pro XRP. Bank of America are using it. So get yourself over to ripplelabs.com. You can actually see who's partnered with XRP. It's a great payment alternative. I'm not doing an ad read for XRP, I promise. It's a great payment alternative. And we consolidated around the $3.17. And again, as long as it's trading above $3, I think we got a good chance to get another push up. But with XRP, it has a use. Some of these meme coins, Pepe coin, Trump coin, they've done so well. And I expect XRP to follow suit. It's got a use. It's got a real world use. So yeah, I'm expecting a push up.
Yeah, I think you're right, and you just want to be on the right side of it.
Yeah, a lot of wishful thinking there. as well.
Yeah.
But, I'm bullish on XRP.
I know you also for this one in particular, you're holding it as opposed to trading in and out.
That's right. Yeah. So sitting sitting on a small amount of XRP, and yeah, no, it's doing well. Like we got in well under the dollar, and probably been holding since 2017. So yeah, and it's just sitting.
That's
there.
a lot of patience. That's a lot of patience there, Andrew.
Yeah, just sitting there in the wallet. So S&P. Did you trade it yesterday?
S&P. I watched it yesterday. It wasn't something that I actually actively traded. I was waiting for a breakout to happen in the first hour of trading, and that it never really developed. So I just watched it yesterday, and I was mainly looking to get in on Netflix yesterday as a result. So S&P today, I'm looking to trade it today. I think there's some good opportunities for this week in particular, in the event that Trump does come out with something that the market likes. That could really move S&P quite a lot. So overnight, not really moving that much, slightly up. So we closed yesterday at around 60.49. And we're up closer to 60, 65. One thing I would mention is the all-time high is right here. So not too far away from the all-time high. I think it's a similar story to Bitcoin, where, as you said, you think the all-time high can get reached, or we can make a new all-time high. And I think that's the case as well for S&P. Very close. We're very close to that all-time high. Today could be the day. Oh, maybe it's next week. But it's definitely within touching distance.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. We'll review it on the pre-market show on Friday, and see where we're at. But
yeah, reminder to everybody of that pre-market show on Friday. That's a good one, Andrew. So if you are listening and wondering if you can get more, every Friday we jump on about 30 minutes before U.S. New York Open. Check it out.
Yeah, definitely good show, and yeah, we run through the charts in a little bit more detail, and we go through what trades we're going to take. So that's it for me, Mandela. I've taken my trade. I'm done. I'm going to walk away. Gonna lock my screen, and I'll be back tomorrow morning, or we'll be back tomorrow morning. And keep reminding me today, so instead he wins the race.
Yeah, are you actually trading? Are you looking to trade some more today?
No, I'm done for the day now. If
You're
I take
done.
profit,
Okay.
Yeah. So just try and walk away. Potentially tomorrow, I'll probably try and get 2 trades, maybe a gold in the morning and copper in the afternoon, and same for Friday.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, great work. Keep up the great work, Andrew. It's about getting to the finish line. It's not about how fast you get there. So
yeah, we're almost there, right?
Great work.
So
great work.
Let's keep going.
Yeah.
Right, thanks, Mandela, and I will drop you a WhatsApp later.
All right, sounds great. Have a good day, everybody, and thanks for watching.
Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the 1-step program, which is hyper growth, 2-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off, and it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. Yeah, you can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com, use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's STXForex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com.